Today, we're diving into how to leverage the Amazon app to transform your Whole Foods Market shopping experience from mundane to magnificent. First things first, make sure you have the Amazon app downloaded and are signed into your Prime account at checkout. Before the cashier scans your items, simply open the Amazon app and tap the Whole Foods Market icon at the top of the homepage. This will generate a unique QR code on your phone. Present this code to the cashier for them to scan. This is where the magic happens. Any eligible Prime member discounts you qualify for will automatically apply to your purchase, saving you money without hunting for coupons. But the savings don't stop there. For an even more streamlined experience, consider signing up for Amazon One. You can enroll right at the store by linking your palm to your Prime account. Once enrolled, you can simply hover your palm over the Amazon One scanner at checkout to pay and apply your discounts, skipping your wallet entirely. And that's it. Using the Amazon app at Whole Foods Market is a simple yet powerful way to enjoy exclusive Prime benefits, streamline your checkout, and save time and money. Happy shopping!